So I hate to be this controversial, but Deepseek so far, is pretty fucking dog shit. I'll just give you an example. I'm like coding with it and talking to it and going back and forth. And I say, it looks like these lines of code get stuck permanently in the thinking stage. I'm building like a chatbot thing here. I'm like, bro, and talk to me directly. Like, what the fuck? Stop talking in third person. Talk to me like a homie and keep your answers very short. I've been asking it to talk to me directly and keep his answers very short for a while, right? And then I go here and I ask it the same thing. And then here's his response. Okay, let's break this down. The user is having a hydration error because of the server rendered HTML, which doesn't match the client. The error points to the line where they displayed the email. First, this answer is just like a whole bunch of nonsense. It gets to the wrong conclusions, starts adding in some like random code that doesn't actually help or solve the problem, um, and would not stop calling me the user, even though I asked it. And the answer is not short, not very short. It's the like opposite of a very short message. It's super weird. But if I choose Sonnet here, it'll do a much better job of communicating to me. Or even honestly, O1. If I ask this to O1, it will like listen to this and give me a better answer. So I'll like literally hit enter. Let's take a look. All right, homie, here's a short fix. So like literally it's going in its reasoning model. It did give me a short answer. It's like the app syncing loop means the server never ends the final response. It can happen if an error in your tool's code isn't handled. So the AI keeps waiting. Check the tool's error handling and make sure you return or throw properly. Also confirm your Subase URL and credentials are correct so the fetch doesn't fail. That's it, short and sweet. This is so much more helpful because now already I'm like, okay, so my problem can be coming from Supabase because I have to check the credentials, so I should start there. And then I can like go down the path of reasoning, right? Then okay, the next step is like maybe there's something wrong with the tool, maybe there's something else wrong. And so I can go down one thing at a time, and I'm actually getting a response that I can do stuff with. And when I look at like these responses I get from deep think, like what the fuck is like think? Like what is the point of that? The user is having a hydration error. And like I don't know if it's just me, but when I start reading R1's responses, my eyes just like can't really focus on what it's saying because it's like so robotic and random. Like it doesn't feel like it's talking to me. So it's like the error points to the line where they display the email. I need to ensure that the displayed email displayed on the server matches the client. The extra payment info is likely appended after the email, causing a mismatch. So splitting the email string at the dollar sign and taking the first part should show the email address, fixing the hydration. So like, I'm never asking it about a hydration mismatch. Why the fuck? Why the absolute fuck is it talking about a hydration mismatch? Okay, next, the user's tools failing with fetch error. Possible issues, wrong credentials, network issues, or incorrect query. Check if they use a non-key in and were correct. Okay, fine. Verify the database connection table name exists. Maybe the query is timing out, so adding a timeout, or the thinking loop might be due to unhandled errors in the tool. Okay. Make sure, lastly, the depreciation warning about puny code is a Node.js internal thing, not critical. Like, that's not what I'm asking it. I'm not talking it about puny code. I'm not talking about any of that. And my lines, whatever, that it was mentioning, that's not what those were talking about. And that's at least not what my error that I wanted it to deal with. Right? So, I don't know about you guys. Deep Sync has been a crappy experience for me so far. Deep Seek. Deep should be Deep Sink of Time, actually.
Deep suck.
Deep suck, because it sucks. Like every fucking time I've tried to use the app, it just says it's down. When I go to their API platforms, they're down. Like actually, let's just go to their fucking API right now. So I'm on DeepSeek. Let's fucking go to their platform. Look at this. Every fucking time.
What's the big hype all about, honestly?
Like every time it's down. I don't understand. Like, what in the light Yagami? Like, who fucking made this, bro? Like, I literally wrote hello. Look at this now. I wrote hello. This is all I said, okay? It goes, okay, the user wrote hello. That's pretty straightforward. I should respond in a friendly and welcoming manner. Maybe say hello back and ask how I can assist them today.
This?
Keep it open-ended to encourage them to ask whatever they need help with. It's like a fucking psychotic freak, bro, in there. It's like, it's not, it's a human who has schizophrenia. Wait, but maybe...
Oh, hold on. I think this is how it thinks. So how it thinks, but the actual response is like this. Like, this is thinking process.
It's like so nervous.
But it's like, oh my god, what do I do? Oh my god.
Wait, but maybe they just wanted to test if the bot is working. Should I add something else? No. Keeping it as simple is better. Avoid overcomplicating the response. Let them lead the conversation. Make sure the tone is warm and approachable. I should check for any typos in my response. Hello. How can I assist you today? That sounds good. No errors there. All right. Like, dude, I have enough anxiety already in my day, bro.
There's so much anxiety as a response. Like, why would they even have this in here? Like, why? Like, why would they even showcase this? Like, why? Do I want to know how it thinks?
Like,
Oh, yeah, you can. Oh, you can like make hide it. Okay.
But still. Oh, so that's what I'm getting. I'm getting the nervous part of the thing, and then I'm getting like the
the actual response. I mean, it's still dumb. Like, why would I fucking...
stupid.
Why do I need to see the thinking part of it?
Oh, so you know what's cool though? If we were using it in our chatbot or app or something, we could just look for these tags and then just like remove that. I know. It's still annoying. Like,
That's
just
dumb, dude.
not have that in the first place,
That's
right?
dumb.
And I tell it, stop calling me the user. I hate when it calls me the user.
That's how it's It's thinking the user.
The user.
Did I call you the user later on or no?
I said, speak to me like a homie. Oh shit! It goes, let me know if still stuck. LMK. Oh shit! It became cool.
Oh, it became fucking cool. Maybe it is good, huh?
Damn. You just gotta hide the thing. So my experience of Deepseek has been A-okay.
A-okay.
Use it as your peril, but so far, and then also it's like 64,000 tokens. Like, dude, come on. Like, what are you on a budget? But Claude, 200,000 tokens, still the best in my opinion. That Sonnet superpower, too good.